In our program, we talk about how to clear setbacks with other people. And one of the things that we must do before we even do that is clear the setbacks with ourselves. We are carrying around such heavy things. We are judge, we are jury, we are defendant, when we don't really have an attorney representing us to ourselves to let us off the hook and to say it's okay. We can address this and move on. It reminds me of You Can't Handle the Truth. Remember that movie? And the truth of the matter is that most of us keep those things hidden from ourselves because it's too painful. But if we don't have the courage to think about what exactly we have to clear with ourselves, what forgiveness we have to give ourselves, what compassion we have to give ourselves, then there is no way that you can give what you don't have. So you have to have it for you in order to be able to give it to somebody else. That's why so many conflict resolution mediations fail, is because we only address the piece that is interpersonal, and we don't address the piece that it starts with, which is us. So I'm asking you today, think about what are the setbacks? What are the things that you have not forgiven yourself for, or cleared with yourself, or talked to yourself about, or uncovered with yourself that is just lingering there from maybe when you were younger? Because until you figure that out, and until you bring it out into the open and flash a light on it, there is no way that sustainably we can resolve something with someone else or clear those setbacks. Next time, we're going to talk about how to clear the setbacks. Have an incredible rest of the week.